Okay, we'd just like to thank all of the artists that performed so far.
Harvest time, singers and dancers. 2 songs. Oh, harvest and time and dancers. Singers and dancers. Lord have mercy.
Energy.
Mrs. Marks is still not giving me back my top yet.
Angel.
The shoes where she lend me too big. So you want them back? Hey? You know, see me no want to testify about it. Thank you. Thank you. All the shoes. You must learn to wear your size. You love to borrow people's thing too much. And make sure you spray out them shoes. Cause some you're lucky me never go to a convention tell them about it. About crowd. Crowd what? Embarrassment when people borrow your things, you must lend them back. Give them back.
How you can treat your sister so?
Yeah. Look, all my curtain she take my skirt. Have mercy.